Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made these giant gingerbread cookies. So first I got some particle board and drew out a pattern on paper for the gingerbread man. Then I traced it and cut it out with my jigsaw. And I am cutting out two pieces, one for the top part of the cookie and the bottom part of the cookie. And you kind of want to sand the edges after you jigsaw. They're a little rough, so smoothing out that rough edge will be great. Okay, then after that, I cut out about 2-inch wood pieces to space out between the two boards, and I wood glued them together and made sure that they were pretty steady. I put some weights on the gingerbread while they were drying, and after this I realized it needed more stability between the two pieces, so I screwed in a couple screws on the top and the bottom. Then afterwards, I got some insulation foam and I sprayed just along the edges of the gingerbread cookie and let that dry for a few hours. After that, I cut all the extra pieces along the edges, and then if I found any kind of holes or anything like that, I just hot glued those extra pieces in that I had cut off. Now to add the cookie texture, I used this texture wall spray, and for the first cookie, I really sprayed a lot of this texture on, and then later on the other cookies I made, I realized, yeah, you don't need that much texture. So you could definitely use this texture spray sparingly if you're making a bunch of cookies. You can see all that white part is the texture spray. Then I started painting, and the paint that I used is called Caramelized Pecan, and it's a flat matte. I just got it at Home Depot in their little small containers that are like $5, $6, and I got 2 of them since I made quite a few cookies. One of these containers paints about 3 huge gingerbread cookies. And then after I let that dry, I painted the edges, and I could see that there's still some white foam showing. So I sprayed some sandal tan paint spray along the edges to really get in all those white foam cracks. Okay, to add the brown detail of a cookie, I just got kind of a darker brown acrylic paint and really stamped the edges. So I didn't brush it thick paint on, it was just dry brushing along those edges. Okay, I let that dry. Then afterwards I got some caulk and I cut the tip really small because I wanted a fine thin line. I didn't want a huge goopy line for this type of frosting, and I traced along the edges of the gingerbread man, and after that, to make it more realistic, I took a shish kebab stick and just really worked that caulk and just kind of stippled it around the edges. Added some eyes and a smiley face and some cheeks, and for this gingerbread man I added a cute little bow tie, and I let the caulk dry, and that is how I made this gingerbread man cookie. I added a little bit more color, stippling his cheeks with a kind of a dark red, and that is how I made all of these gingerbread cookies. You can add different colors to make them look more burnt or less burnt, and please subscribe for more videos like this, and happy holidays.